And everyone out there is like, yeah, that's why we watch the YouTube videos ahead of time and learn about it. Well, you're welcome. I'll be that YouTube video for you. Pardon the chaos here, but I don't think you've ever been a part of this part of registering for a Disney race. So let me show you what happens on race day registration. Come with me. I'm registering both my husband and I for the Wine and Dine 10K actually. And look at the wait time, more than an hour. Now I need to let you know, I opened up 2 different windows on purpose. And then about 10 minutes before registration, I got in here and clicked the register button because it went green, right? Like I was refreshing at 10 minutes till, and then I clicked green and I got in like, you know, when everyone else did, and there's my wait time. So just as the lovely Molly from Mammoth Club would say, pack your patient pants. Here's another really good thing to know that I just found out the hard way. If you're buying tickets for the Wine and Dine, you're gonna wanna buy tickets for the post-race, well, if you want to, buy tickets for the post-race party as well, which of course we want to because we want to go to that and see what it's all about. It's a separate ticket. There was no like wait time like there was for this. I think we'll be able to get into this pretty easily, but look what happens. I tried to buy 2 at once. No, I'm not gonna do that again because it gave me weird feedback. But let's say this was at 2. There's only 1 day to select. It told me I couldn't buy more than 1 at a time. So I have 2, like look at this setup I've got going. I'm waiting. I've got that ticket, buying this ticket. So I can only buy 1 at a time. That's really worth noting. And you can also see the price over here if you're interested. Yeah. And then it looks like it's gonna let me buy it, but I don't want, oh, look at that, total quantity. I wonder if it's because of this browser. I need to do a little bit more digging and let you know what's happening here. Update, it let me do it on my phone. So is that an IP address thing? I know it would be on the computer, but I'm worrying about the phone. Anyway, someone who knows more than I do, is that an IP address thing? But it let me do it on my phone. And so thank goodness I also opened up a browser window on my phone at registration time too. And I'm wondering now if it's only gonna let me register for 1 runner on my computer and I'll have to wait for my phone. We're learning a lot. So recommendation 1, have 8,000 people ready to do this one thing. Okay, that's it. I do see this on my browser. My QID is the same, which is what kind of like clued me into it. Like, oh, get on your phone, make sure you get on your phone. My QID is the same for both of my browsers on my computer, but my phone QID is different. So, and everyone out there is like, yeah, that's why we watch the YouTube videos ahead of time and learn about it. Well, you're welcome. I'll be that YouTube video for you. Can you tell, like, I did not plan to do this video at all. If nothing else, that little hair right there. But while I wait, I just want to say thanks for being here. Thank you for going through this process with me. I know that when I first started going to Disney, not that I go a ton, I'm not someone that's like there every weekend, but when I first started going, I knew I wanted to make the best of my experience. And I started watching, actually it was Molly's videos, and she was with All Ears, and now she's with Mammoth Club. And I learned so much, and I was like, you know what, the only thing I didn't learn a lot about was the run, and kind of learned the hard way, kind of learned from other people. And I knew that I wanted to make sure that other people didn't have to go through like the chaos quite like I did. So I just want to say thank you, and thanks for like letting me come like this and just be really real and raw, not try to clean up my background, not even get out pajamas. Yeah, thank you. Something besides more than an hour just showed up. It is now 10:47. Registration opened at 9 a.m. my time. And I'm officially in. Got 2 registrations. It lets you add registration. I totally forgot about that. I don't need all the millions of browsers open. So one person can register multiple people. I don't know what the limit is, but I got 2 in and it let me open another one yet. And we're all annoyed and frustrated and tired, and we're going to the park. So you know what? Peace out. I will see you in November.